Hello world, welcome to XONA Labs. I'm Dr. Els. Great news, the XONA Local LLM Drive USB 3.0 is now available for the big three operating systems. Let's take a look at it on the Mac. We're going to go to XONA Mac, because we're on the Mac. On Linux, XONA Linux. And on Windows, XONA Windows. Open that in our terminal, and we get a pretty and private, locally hosted window that is not connected to the internet. Just look at her, she's beautiful, right? From here, you can choose an open source model to load up, and these will be located in the models folder. And you can add any .gguf files that you want in there. You can download these files from Hugging Face, any gguf files you want. These are offline AI models. XONA will ship to you with Quinn, whatever modern model uncensored as a default. Now, before you load it up, you have settings that you can tweak, like tokens. This is how long your answers are. If you notice your responses are getting cut off mid-sentence, raise it. Temperature. Low if you want predictable answers. High if you want creative answers. Use at your own risk. Top P. Same as temperature. Use this if you're an expert. Leave it alone if you're not.
Context is basically how much of the chat you want your model to be able to remember and go back and reference. So the higher you set your context, the further back your chat will be able to remember.
Threads. If you have a lot of CPU cores. If you don't know what that is, it's okay. You don't need to mess with it. GPUs. If you got any, you will get even faster responses. Then you're ready to go. Ask whatever you want. Maybe you want a nice salmon recipe. Maybe you want something a little spicier. Whatever it is, nobody's going to kick in the door waving the 4-4 because this does not connect to the internet.
That doesn't mean be a weirdo either.
It's another reason this doesn't connect to the internet. Hope this helps.